Hello, this is John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to look at Noe's Mayan cube head planter. This Mayan planter took roughly 6 hours from our 3D Systems cube to make. What I suggest is when you make this model, make it at least 5 inches square, not 2 inches square like I did. I just don't have enough resolution, and that led to problems I had with the supporting material video that you saw earlier. All right, let's see how it was made. .3D printing is a very slow process, so when you're waiting for the final results, measure your time in hours, not in minutes. I really look forward to seeing you guys send me some pictures of this cube head from Noe that you make with your 3D printer. It's really a nice project. It's too bad I made it too small. So learn from my mistake, make your models as large as you can, especially for extrusion 3D printers. I'll see you in the next video.
Come on, baby girl, let's get it going on. I'ma hit the highway and do it my way. It ain't no game, so I don't play games. I keep it up straight, right up in your face. So make your mind up, cause life is too short. I got the best on, boy, put your belt on. So acting all cool like Kanye West. For you be riding to the wire, and the time I get fire. You the one that know, I the one that know. This goes at the prince and chicks so slow. Hit the backseat when you're doing the little kissing, squeezing, do the damn thing, man.